morning, traders. Welcome to the Elliott Wave Street weekly update. I'm Juan Maldonado, and it's a pleasure to start the week with some of our wave counts. Today, we are going to check the euro that has been moving pretty sideways, and we are looking for a setup this week. The main plan is to have the euro crossing this previous high and taking out the stops located above this high. Imagine all the sellers that are trapped and have their stops somewhere here, and they are looking to find and the big guys is of course looking to find to take out all these participants that are trapped. So the plan is going to be pretty simple, traders. I'm looking for another leg up here to take out that liquidity, and once we get there and we have a rejection, we have supply entering the market. Let's say we have a nice bearish engulfing candle over here. I'm going to sell there. Could be also a spinning top, or it could be any formation after the price takes out this high. That's key. I'm going to find the way to trigger right there at the close of that candle, leaving a protective stop loss above the high, no more than 30 to 40 points of a stop. And then once we get a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, I'm going to book partial profits, right? And the plan is to get at least to this area, probably lower, but once we get there, we can book some extra profits. So let's get ready. We are at the final stage of the plan, just looking for the last move to book some to start the trade. Let's have a look at the S&P. On the S&P, I want to share with you the daily chart first. Let me hide some of these waves so we can understand where we are. Look, just with a simple trend line, we can see that this is a rejection area, that is a clear resistance area. The big question is if this thing is going to drop from there, or if it's going to reverse and is going to make a hard high. Well, let's create a scenario for each, because don't forget that anything can happen in these markets, but we need to make money. So my dream scenario here on the S&P is having price coming up here to the previous high, rejecting that area and selling from there. If the market makes an ABC, as Elliotticians, we learn to find if something is corrective or impulsive. The hint is fast move is impulsive, slow move is corrective. But if we have a corrective leg and a buy signal, I will close my short trade with profits, and I will go long to capture a wave 3. On the other hand, if at this area I start seeing some big candles, let's say like here, right? I'm gonna look for a lower low here, and from there I'm going to try to go long when we have the buy signal. This will be fantastic. I would love to see this thing. The other key aspect, or the third scenario that can happen, of course, if the S&P selling off from here without making the high and moving to the low, especially if it closes under this wave 1. If we have a candle closing under wave 1, it's gonna start from there. But I think we're gonna make the high. On the MACD, we can see that this leg was creating this MACD, so pretty strong, which means a weak supply, a strong demand, and on this leg, if we compare, is different, right? It's lower the MACD, so that's a strong supply, weak demand. So that's a red flag for the move up that we need to be extra careful. Now, on the lower time frames, I'm gonna give it the chance of buying the wave 4. We already have some interesting signals. Look how our MACD indicator. If you want to learn more about the MACD, we have a complete course in the members area in the membership in Elliott Wave Street. Look how for the first time the MACD starts moving up while the price keeps moving down. Before, the price was moving down, and the MACD was moving down and moving down. So no way you can go long after these sell-offs, right? But when you start seeing that the MACD is moving up, because it means that demand is entering the market, I use the MACD to read supply and demand. So we have that good signal. Now, on this area, last night we have the rejection. So that's a nice entry bar. This could be wave 1, this could be wave 2. Look how the price is rejecting today. And we could finish the session somewhere here near the 4,000 area, maybe higher. Then we can keep it for longer, of course, with a small risk, always using a stop loss to reach the previous high. And here finding the sell trade as we just described on the daily chart, right? So extremely simple strategy using Elliott wave, using supply and demand, using price action to trigger the trades. Traders, if you want to learn more about these techniques, institutional cycles, volume profile with Elliott wave, price action, momentum indicators, and more, here on ElliottWaveStreet.com, under the membership tab, you will find our memberships. We're having a special trial, a special offer to trial the service on the Forex stocks or the full access. You will get immediate access to the world of Elliott Wave Inside. We have a fantastic membership with videos, with charts, with a lot of things inside. So check ElliottWaveStreet.com on the membership area, pick your plan, and you will get immediate access to start trading with Elliott Wave. Please have a fantastic start of your week. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.